Hi everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for Off the Board with Pineapple Papers, who is Crystal. She's doing 30 days this month, and we, a bunch of the scrappy people who play along with her, usually are playing along. Some of us every month, some of us, or every day, some of us. I'm trying to do once a week. This one's going up late because apparently I don't know my days. So, yeah. Anyway, the layout that I am choosing from my Pinterest board is one that's been on my Pinterest board for a long time. And I really loved the colors and kind like the design of the layout. So that's kind of what I am adding to my layout. So I am starting by doing some mixed media. I cut this big title out of the center, and that is from the Cut Shop. And it says, "Every picture has a story to tell." Oop, sorry, I just dropped my phone here. I'm trying to pull up the layout so that I like the one I'm scrap lifting. But anyhow, so I used this stencil, and this is one that I had cut for a hop that I did last month. And I am choosing to use the stencil again on this wood grain paper. Now this wood grain has like a pink tone to it, so I thought that it went really well with the inspiration layout because there's a lot of teals and pinks in it. They did use, pattern paper, so it is completely different, but I just liked the kind of color combination. So I did feel that the white title was a little too much, so unfortunately off camera, because I thought I hit record and did not, which is like the most frustrating thing ever. But anyway, I used some just some watercolor. I think it was a Vicky Bouton watercolor marker to color in my title here. And then I'm just working on the cluster. So in the inspiration layout, they have kind of, this detail going down the left side, and then their photo cluster in the right side. So I am copying that from the inspiration piece. And all I'm doing here is I went through my bin. So I have this big bin of random fussy cut pieces or die cut pieces. There's a lot of cut apart sheets. There's a lot of little things that I cut with my silhouette that I didn't end up using. And so I just went through and I pulled out things that I thought would match with my color scheme. And so I have a lot of random pieces from crepe paper, some labels from, I think it's either pink paisley or from a We Are Memory Keepers collection. Some things that I got from a Secret Not Secret Kit Club kit. Some, I think there's like an exclusive tag from Kitaholic Kits. Just a lot of little random things. These little flowers that I'm using are actually from a stencil that I made, so it's the like offcut of the stencil, and I decided to layer them up in the inspiration piece. She has a piece of like acetate or a couple of pieces of acetate, so I thought that would work out really well for that. And I'm using these butterflies, again, an offcut of a different project. And I'm just, like I said, just going kind of crazy with all of these little bits that I have that I struggle to use. So I thought, this is a great way to get some of them used up. Just dig through and pick out the colors and then just plop them on here. I really love how that mixed media turned out on that left-hand side. It did get a little squashed here and there, but that's okay. I'm going to cover up like the biggest part of the like messed up piece with a butterfly, so it's perfectly fine. And this photo is of me and my kids on Mother's Day, not this year, last year, so 2019. And I just wanted to add something saying Mother's Day, so I'm trying to find some white letters, and I don't think these end up staying here. So then I tried to write with a white gel pen Mother's Day, and I don't like the way that turns out, so I cover it up with another tag. And then I am going to add some journaling, which is something, you know, I don't usually do if you follow me, but I do put some journaling on here using a white pen, and of course it's crooked, so I hate that too, but I leave that. And it's just talking about how I love these photos of us all together, even though they're not the best quality, they're very yellow tone, you know, like they're not professional photos, but I really love when we can get all together like this. Like, it's one of my favorite things about Mother's Day is this photo that we take. So if you haven't already, definitely you're going to want to check out everybody else who's playing along with Off the Board. You can search the hashtag. It's hashtag otbwpp, so Off the Board with Pineapple Papers. I will include links for everybody who played along the day I was supposed to post this, as well as anybody who's playing along today, in the description box below. But definitely check out Crystal's channel. Like I said, she's doing a layout a day, so she will have links to everybody playing along with her. I'm supposed to be posting on Saturdays, and so hopefully I can get my stuff together and actually get it finished. But, you know, we'll see. I'm kind of just flying fast and loose with life these days, trying to, you know, keep track of everything. So I'm just going to finish this off with some Spiegel Mom Scraps sequins. I think these are called Sweet Dreams. They're very pastel-y colors, and I thought they were just perfect for what I had going on. And then I think that's the end of the layout. So I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again soon. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you again next time. Bye.